Hello, I welcome you all to this particular lesson. And in this lesson, we are going to look at equations. These are equations that are involving indices. So for us to answer all these equations that are here, we need to know the concept of indices. We need to know how to go about indices. So how then do we get to answer questions like this? So straight away, we are going to start with that one. So you are given 3 to the power negative p, which is equal to. Before we go any further, we can change this to a negative index. So 1 over 9 is just the same as 9 to the power negative 1. These two are just the same. So it is just a matter of changing from negative index to a positive index. This is what we are doing. From there now, obviously for us to solve this, we need to make sure that these two are in the same base. So meaning that it is a 9 that can go into base 3. So this one will maintain 3 to the power negative p is equal to, so this is 3 to the power 2. Then we've got that negative 1 multiplied by that negative 1 that is outside. So this is going to maintain where we're going to have 3 to the power negative p is equal to what? 2 times negative 1. So 3 to the power negative 2. So since we've made these two expressions of the same base, so this one and that one are all in base 3. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to equate the powers. So if bases are the same, you equate the powers, where you are going to have negative p is equal to negative 2. From here, you divide both sides by negative 1 by negative 1, such that this negative and that negative will cancel out. You are going to have the value of p to be equal to 2. So that is your what? That is your answer. P is equal to what? 2. That is how you are supposed to solve that one. The same way I'm solving them, this is how you are supposed to solve them even in an exam. We now go to this other one that is there. So I've told you, whenever you see this, there is no over here. So we need to change this one to a positive index. So we are having 4 to the power x plus 1, which is equal to, how then can we change that? That is 8 to the power negative 1. So you need to know how to change from negative index to a positive index. So from here now, what we are going to do is this. You know that we need to make sure that the two expressions are in the same base. So you know that you cannot write 8 in base 4. It cannot go to base 4. So what we are going to do, which base can these two fit in? It is base 2. You know that 2 to the power 2 is a 4. And you know that 2 to the power 3 is 8. So where there is 4, we shall put 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2, that is 4. Then outside we are having x plus 1, which is equal to, this is 2 to the power 3, like that. Then outside we are having a negative 1. So this is what you are supposed to do. Have you seen? So I can lab this. I just wanted you to get what I'm doing. From here now is where now I get to multiply the power that is inside times the power that is outside. 2 times x. So I'm going to say 2, then 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 1, that is 2. That is equal to what? 2 to the power. Power what? 3 times negative 1. That is negative 3. So since we are having same bases, what we are going to do, we are going to equate the powers. So it's just a matter of equating the powers. So we are going to have 2x plus 2, which is equal to negative 3. From here, what do? You group the like terms. So this is 2x is equal to negative 3 minus 2. where you are going to have 2x, which is equal to -5 when you add there. Divide both sides by 2, you also divide there by 2. So meaning that the answer that you are going to get will be what? X is now equal to -5 over 2. So this is your what? That is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. These are procedures you need to consider. So these are things you need to know. These are procedures you need to consider. You can try out this particular question. You can try out that one and see the answer you are going to get. So I'm going to help you. I'm going to start. We will be answering this together. So that is 9 to the power y is equal to, so this is 8. When this 7 comes inside, we are going to have 8 minus 7, which is just the same as what? Which is just the same as a 1. You know that when a number is raised to the power 0 is equal to what? 1. So this one that is here is just the same as 9 to the power y is equal to 9 to the power 0. It is just one and the same, because anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So since these two are the same, we equate the powers. So we just equate same base, equate the powers. Y is equal to 0. So this is your what? This is your answer. Just like this, you are done. The same way I've answered these particular questions, this is how you are supposed to answer them. So these are equations involving indices, or indices that has got everything to do with the equations, how to manipulate numbers and how to work them out. This is what you are supposed to do. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. If you know somebody that wants tuition, or you are the one that wants tuitions, you are free to WhatsApp me on this number. So this is my number. If you are serious, you want tuitions, you WhatsApp me on this number. We get to do them at an affordable fee. This is my WhatsApp number. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and follow us on all social media platforms using the name Harrison J. Zulu Tutor. Thank you so much.